Build up the fun and roll into action with the Marble Rush Sky Elevator set from VTech. This fast-paced marble set is over 3 feet tall and features thrilling stunts and challenges like a sky elevator, motorized freight train, and a speedy spiral. Drop 10 colorful marbles into the funnel to see them speed around the tracks and down to the electronic elevator that scoops up the marbles, carrying them back to the top. Watch the marbles plummet down ramps, super fast tracks, twists, and turns. As they reach the bottom of the zig-zag loader, the marbles drop into the motorized freight train that transports them to the other side. An easy-to-follow, color-coded build guide makes builds simple with 3 fun build levels from beginner to advanced. Children can discover the cool physics concepts of gravity and force and explore STEAM concepts. Connect with other Marble Rush sets to make an extreme playset for maximum playtime fun. Experience sky-high stunts and challenges and limitless builds with the Marble Rush Sky Elevator set from VTech.